Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
Not Matt.
On this Saturday's The Core series, we're exploring Santa Clara's Rompope.
We don't know if
We
that's
don't
right or not.
We don't know.
That's why there's a question mark on the end.
Sure. Why not?
Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, especially if you enjoy crazy random crap. Matt,
Yeah.
what do we have here with that salad dressing looking bottle?
I do. I got a nut in a bottle. Santa Clara Rompope from Mexico. It's got a cool nut on there. She's got a cross, which means she is a nun. Rosary beads, all that fun stuff. Reason being, it was created by a nun. Priest created lots of stuff, but this is the first one I think we've done that's created by a nun, so that's pretty cool. It was created in the 1700s in Mexico, which at a convent, and so people were going around visiting the convents, and the priests come over from the old world to the new world, and they were going around tasting different things, and they went to this convent there at the Puebla convent, and they had made this thing rompe. And so this is the one made by that convent. It's supposedly very good, owned by the Casa Cuervo now, or Casa Cuervo as they say on the bottle. And the funny part about this is they say this is all natural ingredients. Yet if you look at the back of the bottle, it says water, sugar, cane alcohol, all fine. Milk powder, then modified starch, milk fat, egg yolk. Then it says vanilla. Okay, all fine. But now we go to emulsifier, FD&C yellow number 5, caramel color, FD yellow number 6, and sodium mesonate. I think your marketing is bad. Not exactly natural things last time I checked, but they're the number one selling rompe or pope or whatever the hell you say. This
There's
stuff
more
is,
than one of these out there.
yeah, it's just the number one selling, like I said, in Mexico. It's so basically what it is fresh cream, sugar, eggs, and a rum base. At least that's the story.
I don't want to tell you what it smells like to me.
It tells a
Rum
different
plus.
story. And basically, this is Mexican eggnog, more or less, what this is supposed to be marketed as. And it's usually for Mexican holidays, but you also drink neat. Also, doesn't need refrigeration ever, which I thought was interesting, considering what it's based on. So, but like I said, it's supposed to be a sweet, fragrant drink. Taste the rompe throughout Mexico, different ones. But the story's cool. Like I said, it's whatever. Big at Christmas, New Year's, different holidays in Mexico, birthday toast, the fun stuff. So, I don't know. Let's see what we think of the yellowish, weird eggnog-looking smelling stuff.
It
smells
smells like
weird.
kind of like an eggnog. It smells kind of like a a rum chata.
Do you want to know what it smells like to me, or do you not?
Yeah, please.
It smells like puke.
It smells like puke. I'm not getting that.
Yeah, I can see like a baby vomit. I could totally see that. It's got like this weird yellow eggnog with this
Really weird.
egg and vanilla. It's a bizarre nose.
Oh, that's really gross.
Now
that she's made it
but
vomit,
it does have a rum chata feel to it. It doesn't have as much cinnamon as a rum chata that I've had has, but
the nun did say that she would only sell it to them as long as they were allowed to consume it at the convent. So good on her. I said it's a good job.
I mean,
This is a weird smell, though.
It's a really weird smell.
I'm not looking forward to this sip.
I'll taste it.
Sorry, I asked you if you wanted to know or not.
Oh, it's
Actually, the palate's way more pleasant. It's more vanilla,
sweet.
eggnog.
It's
It
got
tastes the eggs and rum.
eggnoggy,
Nice.
almost like a lemony.
I like that. See, I like the taste. I do not care for the nose at all. Taste is not bad. I could drink this, like chilled on ice, like blended up. It would be pretty good.
The taste is not bad, just don't smell it.
Smell. Not a fan of.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
I don't like the way this smells.
That's
I
the
do
first
like the
thing
way it tastes, though.
That's the first thing that came to my mind when I smelt it.
Yeah, now that's all I think of now. Because
Sorry,
See, and that
Totally
was my problem.
smells
It
like
wasn't
that.
the first thing that came to mind, but it's definitely all I can smell now.
I'm sorry.
well, I kept getting I couldn't figure out what it was, and then I was like, "Oh, you're
baby
right, it's vomit. It's baby vomit." I'm like, "Oh, I couldn't place it." I was like, "Oh, it's totally what it is."
It's
And,
like
and you're not wrong with baby vomit because it's almost that formula.
the
vomit.
formula
It
vomit.
is that formula.
Yes.
Yeah, it's supposed to. Yeah, it really is.
I'm
It's
sorry,
formula
my
vomit.
mom.
It really is, though. Yeah, it's kind of like when we get diaper or something, plastic liner in different whiskeys. But no, this is definitely our first baby vomit liqueur. You're welcome. We're sorry, Mexico. It actually tastes good,
Sorry.
though, so I'm glad at
It
least
tastes good.
Does
I
not
could
nose
see-
It's a
well
little
at
sweet
all.
for my palate, but
Yeah, but over ice it might tame it down some.
or in a coffee
yeah.
and something.
It's
like
a nice consistency too. I like the the thickness of it. It's nice.
It's thick and coating.
Mm-hmm.
Which is exactly what William doesn't like.
Yeah, this is true. He's not a fan. Not that any of us are surprised that he does not like
Don't
this.
throw that in my glass.
But it's better. But he likes this better than the banana cream.
Banana.
Don't worry, we get 99 bananas someday. You're gonna taste, so you'll love that.
Jeez. All right.
Ronchadas.
Don't smell it. Just drink it.
Agree.
It's good that way.
Totally.
Don't smell it. Just put it in your mouth.
If you are a whiskey drinker and you're watching this liqueur special or series, do not follow your natural instincts and put the glass to your nose.
Yeah, I highly.
I know you do it because I do it. You do it with water, you do it with soda, you do it with coffee, anything in a glass. You do it. Don't.
This is like the Malort of liqueurs on the nose. It really
yeah,
is.
the palate's good. Fine, it's good.
It's more just liqueur, but whatever.
Just don't smell it. Plug your nose.
Yes, it's choice. No,
It's not
it's good.
12 inches. It smells like a foot.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
All right,
Wow.
on that note.
Terrible dad joke. Good job.
On that note, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. You know you want to. And I forgot what I was going to say.
Click that notification bell. We're
That's
also
it.
live every Monday night. Come hang out with us there. Until next time. I was taking over your part. You take over mine. Don't give me that look.
Keep on crusading for better liquids in your glass.
Cheers.
Cheers.
A Rompope baby in my mouth. Rompope? I don't know. Sure.
It looks like a bottle of Newman's Own
Oh my
dressing.
gosh, it totally does. That's funny.
What is this? Santa Clara?
Yeah, Santa Clara Rompope. It's Rompope. I don't know how you pronounce it. I didn't look it up.
Rompope?
Sure, why not?
Rompope?
Do we need to break out the Googler?
Nah,
Probably.
Let's just get it wrong. 5, 4,